What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fries. Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
Oh yeah, Billy Rub. Billy Rub, you like that shit? Yeah, you do.
I told her she could sleep in my bed if she could get on it, and this is what she did.
Hold it.
Oh, you're right.
Cada vez que me baño, me hace daño, por eso me baño una vez al año.
You want to stretch?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Bark at your dog.
Woof!
Is it cold out there? No. No, he dicho. No. No.
Is my dog the only one that doesn't catch food, bro? He just lets it hit her. Look at this. Get it? Bro.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch. Hey, Mommy.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mama.
Achoo.
Passy, Mommy.
Thank you.
Kiss the thing beside you right now? How in trouble would you be right now?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I'm wet. You want something to eat?
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pig.
Show your dog as a puppy versus now.
You holding your poodle? Oh, he cleans you. Just eat him?
So come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mama.
Capta. The queen is coming.
Since y'all want to act like you all know everything, come on, let's upgrade you. There. Is that better?
Hey, baby Floof. Come to me. Come here. You come here. I got you.
What are you doing in here? Ma'am. 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 Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
And I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
Like, what are you? Stop. Stop.
No, she's doing it so
No, but she's gonna do a heart. Look. They're kissing! She's lesbian!
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games, man.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
So I was just eating my pancakes, and every time I take a bite, this happens. And then I look at him, and he looks away.
What are you doing, buddy? Oh, sorry. Nothing much.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
My dog is scared to walk across this bridge, so I recorded him on Snapchat and didn't realize I had this filter on. Yay!
Why are you bringing your babies to Blossom? Why? You want them down here? You want them with Blossom? I don't know about that, Summer.
Squishy! Hey, baby!
The number one thing I learned about owning a red fox, as you can see by the tail, is white, is how stupid they will make you feel. They will outsmart you in any way they can.
You good? You good?
What are you going? You're gonna go for a are we gonna go for a walk? Oh, are we gonna go play?
There is a lot of talk going on in the comments that I'm not Tony's mom. Well, then explain this.
You removed my what? I removed your right kidney while you were sleeping last night. No. Why are you shaking and crying and getting your tears all over my hardwood floors? That's not polite. I helped you. You didn't need...
Oh. So what happens when you play with wasps, Moss? You get the hand to the Brussels sprout.
The hand to the Brussels sprout.
He's so not happy.
He is not happy.
So I'm a driver for Amazon, and this is one of my favorite clients. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You want a treat, huh? You want a treat? Oh, yeah. Here you go, buddy. Oh.
Jerry, what are you doing outside? It's drizzling out! Get in the house right now! Jerry, get down from there. It's time to go downstairs! Get out of the popcorn machine. I'm not making popcorn. And you, stop trying to get up there and eat her!
So this morning, my cat was like screaming a bit and it woke us up. And we're kind of freaked out. And it's because she had a baby. We didn't even know she was pregnant, Mama. We didn't know you were pregnant. She's so tiny.
What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Louise.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello.
You're holding my stuff.
Hello, my little lady.
Hello, Mom. What are you doing with my stuff?
I was just...
What if you die and I'm still here?
Well, then you'll be all grown up. And you won't need me.
I think I'll always need you.
Okay, we have to go outside. You can't lay in my bed. It's not a thing.
Priscilla, why are you in this sink? I told you you can't have a bed. Priscilla, I told you this is my bed. You can't sleep in my bed. Oh, Priscilla, you peed in my bed. Did you just eat my Lucky Charms? Don't try to hide from me. Oh my gosh. Are you cuddled up in my face towel right now? Okay, get out of there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Are you actually watching yourself on TikTok right now? Wow, conceited.
Sam, do you want to come in? Come in. Okay.
Don't get a Doberman, they said. They're vicious, they said. Come on.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning.